Hello everyone, I'm Soumya Tiwari, a doctoral research scholar in the domain of international business area. I am currently in my final year and I'm working on the intersection of political risk and geopolitical risk. I am a very creative writer and I was always fascinated by research papers, by books. And I always wished to have my own research paper and my own book one day. And through LinkedIn, I came across the advertisement of FORE. And when I saw that FORE has this FPM program, and I incredibly wanted to work on the intersection of both social sciences and international business because I come from a core social sciences background. And hence, I found that FORE is the right opportunity to enroll in an international business program where the faculties with enriched experience would provide me an invaluable experience to endeavor my research. So it's a very interesting question, and I think I'll take a little more time to address this. When I first entered FORE, it was in the year 2022. And that time I saw myself as a student who knew nothing about research, only had just, upper hand knowledge. And gradually, when we interacted with the professors, when I got my own supervisors, a big thank you to Professor Faisal and Professor Rahul for instilling a confidence in me. And actually, they developed that faith and that confidence in navigating the literature, in helping me experiencing different methodologies such as MCDM, Smart PLS, and many other. And today, I am in the final year and I'm working on my thesis, chapterization. And I think over the period of the 4 years, I have learned a lot, not only as a student or as a scholar, but it has helped me grow both professionally and personally as an individual as well. So when I first stepped into FORE, I wasn't able to think beyond a certain direction, but they pushed beyond the limits. They gave the edges to think over creativity, helped me instilling that path where I am able to speak very confidently and very authoritative in my own research arenas and other related aspects as also. And they have always made me believe that I always carried that potential and that capability to acquire something big or achieve a new avenue in my own life, or whether it's a research endeavor. And I would say that they both are the guardian angels of my life, and I truly devote my research to them. There are few, but I am not yet fully at a position to say that I have achieved everything. To begin this journey with the conference, I would name that my paper was selected at the Academy of International Business annual conference in South Korea. So I had the opportunity to present my paper at Seoul, South Korea. Second was that among the 50 research scholars, I was the only one who got shortlisted from India to present at the European International Business Academy, Denmark. And the conference was supported by the grants of EBA itself. Then again, I had the opportunity to present my paper at the prestigious Land of Freedom, Beacon of Opportunities, United States of America. And I had gone to Louvain, where I was awarded the scholarship of $750 and $1,000 to avail the conference program support. Apart from that, talking about the key publications, I don't have many right now, but I had a book chapter authored along with my supervisor. The book was released under the track One Diplomacy Delegation, and it focuses on the maritime security. Apart from that, I have also newspaper articles and the blog articles related to my research aspects. Again, a very interesting question, because when we delve deeper into research, we go into intricate the findings and the challenges of our existing research. We often find ourselves to associate to the larger part of the society. And in terms of my own research, especially the multinational enterprises, with respect to the emerging markets, and a larger part of managers who are operating their business operations in both the home and the host country, would avail a larger understanding. because I'm understanding both geopolitical aspects and the political aspect, focusing how they can understand the nuances, how they can understand the political and the volatile environment of their business operations.